Do you know what truly makes a car great isn't just its speed, design, or high-tech features? The actual measure of real quality is the car that even mechanics speak highly of. This is because they see the inner workings and external wear of hundreds of different makes and models every single day. So, if a mechanic tells you, buy this car, it won't give you trouble easily, then you know that car possesses something special. Today, I am going to list the 10 cars that mechanics confidently recommend for purchase in 2025. Get ready to start, because this list features some brands whose incredible durability might genuinely surprise you. First, let's agree on this. Mechanics evaluate cars not based on their appearance, like we do, but on how infrequently they break down, how easily parts can be sourced, and their overall longevity. This is why this list is composed of models that are not only durable, but also easy to maintain and light on your wallet in the long run.
10. Toyota Corolla. It might sound like a cliche, but the Corolla is constantly praised by mechanics. Almost every master mechanic will say, Corolla is a gem, because this vehicle is rock solid for both city driving and long-distance travel. Its legendary 1.6 dual VVTi engine series has proven itself over decades. Change the oil on time, don't neglect the filters, and this car will never leave you stranded. In fact, some mechanics even say if you maintain a Corolla properly, it can easily reach 500,000 kilometers. It gets old but doesn't break down. This means the most frequently replaced items on this car are often just tires and brake pads, nothing else. The vehicle's core components are engineered for maximum endurance. 9. Honda Civic. Regardless of the model year, the Civic represents peace of mind for a mechanic. This is because its parts are easily accessible, the engine technology is inherently robust, and its suspension system is built to last. The 1.8 iVTEC engine, in particular, has topped the list of never leaves you on the side of the road for years. Many master technicians advise, get a Civic and your life will be less stressful. The only thing you need to be cautious about is driving too aggressively, as the undercarriage can be a bit delicate. But if driven respectfully, this car will save you not only on fuel, but also on stress-related repair bills. 8. Mazda 3. Yes, we are continuing with Japanese brands because mechanics hold a distinct respect for Japanese engineering. The Mazda 3 genuinely stands out with its innovative Skyactiv engine technology. It has few faults, low noise, and minimal vibration, a true testament to excellent engineering. Furthermore, its driving pleasure is legendary among its class. Mechanics often remark, the Mazda 3 rarely comes to us because it simply doesn't break down easily. While the price of parts might be slightly higher, the great advantage is that you seldom need those parts in the first place. It is long-lasting, quiet, and robust. Owners of this car generally never regret their purchase. 7. Hyundai Elantra. Yes, it is a Korean brand, but the old image of the cheap car is completely gone. New generation Elantras are both durable and highly fuel efficient. Specifically, the 1.6-liter petrol engine is a machine that master technicians praise very highly. Its part prices are competitive, the service network is extensive, and the overall failure rate is notably low. Many mechanics have started saying Hyundai is now as reliable as the Japanese brands. In short, the Elantra is one of the mechanics' favorites in terms of price to performance ratio. Number 6. Subaru Forester. You might be thinking, Subaru? Is it really on the list? But yes, mechanics appreciate Subaru vehicles. The Forester, in particular, offers a vibration-free, balanced, and long-lasting drive thanks to its unique Boxer engine. Moreover, its symmetrical all-wheel drive system has been one of the most trusted AWD systems on the market for decades. Mechanics often state, take good care of a Subaru's engine and it will take you 1,000,000 kilometers. While its parts might be somewhat expensive, the vehicle itself is truly built like a solid tank. Number 5. Volkswagen Golf. As we arrive at the 5th spot, things get serious. Volkswagen Golf. Yes, German quality now enters the equation. In the eyes of mechanics, the Golf is considered the balanced car. It's neither too budget-friendly nor overly luxurious. The engine is powerful, the running gear is solid, and the interior build quality is high. Specifically, the 1.6 TDI and 1.4 TSI engines are the types that master technicians have called rock-solid engines for years. When you maintain a Golf properly, you gain not just an enjoyable driving experience, but a long-lasting and reliable friend. 4. Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is nothing short of the tank of the asphalt. Both its hybrid versions and classic petrol models are incredibly trouble-free. Mechanics often say, buy a RAV4, maintain it, and leave it to your grandchild. Indeed, this car easily surpasses the 300,000, 400,000 kilometer mark like child's play. Spare parts are readily available, and electronic failures are virtually non-existent. It's a perfect combination of Japanese durability, SUV comfort, and mechanic approval, all in one package. 3. Lexus RX. This is Toyota's luxury brand, but its durability is just as legendary. The Lexus RX is one of the rare models that mechanics refer to as the luxurious car that doesn't break down. It is quiet, comfortable, powerful, and nearly faultless. While its electronic systems may seem complex, the Japanese engineering ensures they work without a hitch for years on end. Many mechanics advise, if you have the means, buy a Lexus and enjoy peace of mind. An owner of this car typically only visits the repair shop for routine oil changes. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the most highly recommended SUVs by mechanics. It boasts a long engine lifespan, minimal transmission issues, and reasonable fuel consumption. The interior space is generous and the driving comfort is top-notch. Another significant advantage of the CR-V is that it retains its value well even after 10 years. Mechanics often say, buy a Honda CR-V, you'll still be happy when you sell it 10 years later. Truly, this car is balanced in every aspect. It won't tire you out or let you down, whether on long trips or within the city. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. And now we come to the top of the list. Toyota Land Cruiser. If you ask any mechanic, what is the most solid car, 90% of them will say Land Cruiser. This vehicle is so incredibly durable that it is used in the world's harshest deserts, polar regions, and even conflict zones. Its engine is legendary, its running gear is like a tank, and its interior is simple but highly functional. Mechanics often say, buy this car, just change the oil for 20 years, and that's all it needs. There are genuine Land Cruisers that have clocked over 1 million kilometers and are still running as if they were new. Why these cars? It's because mechanics have seen over years which cars cause the most problems for people and which ones endure the test of time. Therefore, this list is not just a theory, it is based on real-world experience. Also, remember this crucial point. A car's longevity isn't solely about the brand, it is also about how it is used and maintained. If you change the oil on time, use the correct fuel, and avoid pushing the engine when it's cold, even the most ordinary car will reliably serve you for years. But if you neglect maintenance, even the best car will eventually leave you stranded. That is why these 10 models recommended by mechanics are both robust and user-friendly. They have a low failure rate, plenty of spare parts, and are easy to repair. In other words, they protect both your wallet and your peace of mind in the long run. What's your top pick? Now I'm curious, which car do you think is the ultimate mechanic-approved car? Write your answer in the comments, and let's see which model comes out on top. And if you enjoy these types of lists, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because soon I'll be sharing the list of 10 cars mechanics hate the most, and that video is going to be explosive. Bonus section:
5 cars mechanics say don't ever buy. Alright guys, now it's time for the part everyone's been waiting for. Let's talk about the cars that mechanics absolutely hate to see in their shops. The ones that make them sigh and say, oh no, not this one again. If you already own one of these or are planning to buy one, trust me, this part might save you a ton of money and headaches. 1. Fiat Punto, especially before 2010. Mechanics literally groan when a Punto pulls in. Why? Because its electronics are a nightmare. Steering column issues, constant airbag lights, suspension noises, you name it. Sure, parts are cheap, but the frequency of breakdowns makes it one of the most expensive budget cars to maintain in the long run. 2. Renault Megane 2, 2003 to 2008. Looks nice on the outside, price seems good, but under the hood, chaos. Common problems include ECU malfunctions, faulty keycard systems, and endless AC issues. Mechanics joke that when a Megane 2 comes in, they know it's going to be a long day, because every car has a new problem and none of them are cheap to fix. 3. Chevrolet Cruze, 2010 to 2014. Don't let that American style fool you. This car is a nightmare in countries where parts are hard to find. Overheating engines, jerky transmissions, and poor LPG compatibility make it one of the least loved cars among mechanics. It looks nice, but it's trouble under the hood. 4. Peugeot 307, 2001 to 2007. Mechanics call it the electronic disaster. Everything is computer controlled from the ABS sensors to the headlights. One little issue can trigger a chain reaction that affects other systems. Some mechanics even say, when a 307 arrives, I drink my coffee first, then start working. Enough said. Number 5. Ford Focus PowerShift, 2012 to 2017. Normally, the Focus is a reliable car, except for the PowerShift version. This dual-clutch automatic transmission is famous for shuddering and jerking after a short time. One mechanic even said PowerShift Focus keeps customers coming back, but only because they're stuck fixing it all the time. So yeah, Focus is great, just not with that transmission. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the cars mechanics recommend you buy, and now the ones they beg you to avoid. Moral of the story? Never buy a car without asking your mechanic first. Drop a comment below. What's the most problematic car you've ever owned? Maybe we'll feature it in the next video. Remember, the right car saves your life, but the wrong one burns your wallet. See you in the next video.